Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn an image into a PDF. So to do that you will need a simple tool from Play Store. So the tool will be Photo to PDF Maker. Then install the first application here called the PDF Maker Image to PDF. So after installing it, open it as you can see. So when you open it, wait for it to load. Okay, so it's still loading. You need to be patient and make sure your internet is fast. So as you can see, it has some advertisements it's making, but you can cancel that. So you come to the plus icon over here. Then you choose an image you want to import. So you tap on import. Then you tap on got it. Okay. So you tap on crop image. Then after cropping it, you can tap on convert. So you tap on convert over there. So as you can see, the image has been converted into a PDF just because this application has many ads. Okay, so our image has been converted into a PDF. So in order to see our image, I'll quickly just cancel this. So this is our image and it has been converted into a PDF. Okay, so you can tap on preview PDF to see it. As you can see, it's our image but it's in a PDF form. Okay, so you can even find it in your gallery or in your location or settings everywhere. Okay, so that's how to convert an image into a PDF, as you can see. So you can tap on share to share it with your friends. You can tap on share. You can choose to share it on WhatsApp if you want. Then you can tap on the person you want to send it to. So let's assume I'm sending to this person here. Then I say send. So when I say send, you're going to see it's being sent as a PDF. Okay, so that's how to change an image to PDF, guys. Thank you for watching. If there's value in this video that you found, please like and subscribe.